Hello everyone, very warm welcome to all of you on APTI Plus platform. My name is Akhilesh. We are meeting for geography preparation for UPSC as well as state PCS examination. In today's class I would like to give you one concept regarding the water divide of India. If you understand this water divide, this will help you to understand the distribution of rainfall. This will make you understand the vegetation of India. This will again make you understand the kind of trade practices as well as agriculture cropping done in different parts of India. So let me explain this. Be tuned for that. So in case of India, if you see the map of India, you are going to have some physiographical feature. You should know these physiographical feature, and the physiographical feature talks about some loftiest of all mountain you are going to have in form of Greater Himalaya. Then there is Middle Himalaya. Not only this, you are also having some mountain ranges, and those mountain ranges act as water divide for India. So what do you mean by water divide? This is quite, let me draw this. It is worse than the previous one. Again, let me try. I think this could be better depiction of India. At least this much is appreciable. Fine. So I am just giving you the concept of water divide. So if you see the entire India, you will find that from Namcha Barwa to Nanga Parvat. So Namcha Barwa is situated here, Namcha Barwa, and this Nanga Parvat. You are going to have Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya, then you have Middle Himalaya, as well as Shivalik. So this is the mountain range you will get over here, and then this mountain range culminated in eastern part in form of Arakan Yoma, or it is also called as Purvanchal Himalaya. Fine. Apart from it, you will get Aravalli mountain series, Aravalli, from Palanpur, Gujarat to Rai Sina Hill, Delhi. From Palanpur, Gujarat to Rai Sina Hill, Delhi. And then there is a range which is called as Vindhyan range. You will find this in central India, and another range is Satpura. This area is going to be called as Amarkantak Plateau. This is Amarkantak Plateau, and then there is Western Ghat, which is the shield of west coast. This is Western Ghat. So because I am discussing with you the water divide of India, so try to see this Western Ghat, and near Nilgiri it is meeting with Eastern Ghat, which is fractured Eastern Ghat, and it is meeting at Nilgiri, which is not visible in this map, but do remember near Nilgiri both Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat is meeting, and Western Ghat extended in form of Cardamom Hill. Try to see in your atlas. Fine. So when this southwest monsoon is coming over India, there is two branch of southwest monsoon. One is called as Bay of Bengal branch, another one is Arabian Sea branch. So Arabian Sea branch as well as Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch. Here it is Bay of Bengal branch. And it is causing rainfall in India. Southwest monsoon causing rainfall in India. And these are the topographical barrier. These Greater Himalaya, Aravalli, Vindhyan, Satpura and Western Ghat. If you see Western Ghat, southwestern Ghat is going to have higher mountain ranges like Anaimudi, Doda Beta, Kudremukh, there will be Mulangiri, Kalsubai, etc. So, once you are moving from south to north, you will find these high altitude peaks, and apart from it this Panchmadi. So, if you see the rainfall pattern in India, so this Bay of Bengal branch is giving rainfall to entire East India including Ganga plain. But this Bay of Bengal branch is not able to give rainfall beyond Vindhyan. So, Vindhyan act as what? Water divide. It is a water divide. Not only this, the river which is flowing over here, if you see the river, you will find there is Ganga which is draining in Bay of Bengal, there is Yamuna meeting with Ganga near Prayagraj, and there are many rivers like Ram Ganga, like Kosi, Gandak, Gomti, these all are the tributary of Ganga. But all these tributary have a basin divide by Aravalli this side and Vindhyan this side. So, if you see the river over here on the Vindhyan also, this plateau, Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand plateau, you will find river like Chambal, Betwa, Sindh, Ken, Parbati and Kali Sindh. These all are giving water to Chambal, to Yamuna, ultimately to Ganga. That means this highland plateau, this Vindhyan, north to Vindhyan have some highland that is also draining water into Ganga. So, real water divide is going to be Aravalli and Vindhyan. And what about Himalaya? Some of the geographer is of opinion that Himalaya is not a water divide. Some of the geographer is of the opinion, yes, Himalaya is a water divide. If Himalaya would not be water divide, so tell me who is dividing this Indus River system and Ganga River system as well as Brahmaputra River system. So, if you see in ancient time geological period, this Brahmaputra, Satluj as well as Indus, they were the single river, and because of orogeny of Himalaya, what happened? These three dismembered into three. One is Indus, this is your Indus River, Indus, here it is Satluj. Satluj drains its water in Chenab, there is a river Chenab also. So, Chenab bringing water of this Chenab and Satluj, basically they constitute Panchanath. We will discuss in drainage of India, and they constitute this area. So, if this Himalaya would not be originated, certainly the Indo-Brahm river was the one river. So, if Himalayan orogeny have dismembered this Brahmaputra as well as Indus as well as Satluj into three different river systems. So, why not Himalayas should be considered as the water divide? It is up to you to decide, but from my point of view, and some other geographers are also considering Himalaya as a water divide, not for present, but it is a geological water divide. So, Himalaya, taking Greater Himalaya as a water divide, Aravalli as a water divide, Vindhyan. Try to see this Panchmadi or this Amarkantak plateau. Amarkantak plateau divide the basin area of Mahanadi. There is a Mahanadi which is flowing over here, there is a Narmada which is flowing over here, and this Tapti is flowing here. So, this Amarkantak plateau is a water divide between the Mahanadi basin and Narmada basin. And what about Satpura basin? Satpura is a water divide between Narmada and Tapti. Tapti and Narmada. So, I can say that Himalaya, Aravalli, Vindhyan, Amarkantak plateau, Satpura is going to be the water divide in different river basins, and this Western Ghat is going to be the water divide between east flowing river and west flowing river. There are many east flowing river like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, is it? And there are many west flowing river, small river like Mandvi, Jwari, Saravati, Netravati. These are the small west flowing river which is flowing from Western Ghat to the Arabian Sea. So, Western Ghat is also going to be the water divide, but what about Eastern Ghat? Try to see any river is originating from Eastern Ghat. If yes, so maybe it is water divide, but it is not the water divide as a whole. Fine. So, Eastern Ghat is not the water divide, Western Ghat is a water divide, and these are the physiographical barrier that also decide the rainfall pattern in India. In classes, we will discuss the physiography of India. Along with that, we will also discuss the rainfall distribution by both southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.